Good morning, my dear kids. Have you all? Yes, I hope you all are fine. So, after a long break, again we are meeting in this class, right? So, this is environmental class, and today we are going to see the semester 1 textbook, chapter 8. It's a last chapter in this term. Okay? So, we are going to see the last chapter. What's the name of the chapter? Seasons. So all of you take chapter 8, seasons. See, chapter 8, seasons. Chapter 8, seasons. So page number 118. Page number 118. So in this seasons, what we are going to see? We are going to see two topics. Okay, so we are going to see two topics. What are they? First, we are going to see weather, and then we are going to see about seasons. Okay, ma? Weather, and then we are going to see about types of seasons. So these two topics we are going to see in this class. Shall we move to the class? All of you take your pencil. Whenever I am reading, just you have to point out that. Okay, ma? Okay. All of you take page number 120. Okay, first weather. So it is a short term, which means it will change every day. Okay, my weather, it's not a permanent one. It will change us every day. Okay, so weather, what is weather? Weather is the condition of air around us. So simply it is like warm, cold, cloudy and windy. So sometimes it will be warm, maybe in the morning it will be warm, maybe in the night it will be cold. Right, nowadays morning it will be little warm and night it is very much cold. Night and in the early morning the climate is very cold, right? So that is weather. Weather means the weather climate. Weather, it will change us every time, every day. Cloudy means before the rain it will be cloudy, and then sometimes it will be more windy. So that is weather. Okay, ma? Simply it's just a short term. Short term means very less period. Okay, so the word weather tells us whether the day is warm or whether the day is cold or cloudy or windy. So weather is an important part of our lives. Yes, of course, right? So without this, our day will never end. And then weather affects what we do, wear and eat. Weather keeps changing every day. Weather keeps changing every day. It may be warm or cold or cloudy or windy. It will be changing, right? So this is weather. It is a short term word. Okay, ma? So next we are going to see the main topic, seasons. When we have the same type of weather for a long period of time, we called it season. Like if the warm is, it will be extending to 1 or 2 months, long period of time, or that long period of time. Okay, ma? So like for example, warm means like sunny. Okay, ma? The season will be sunny. So if it extends for a long period means 2 or 3 months, like that means it is a summer season, right? So it will comes under summer. But whether it is a short period of time, only it will exist for very short period. But season means it will exist for long period, like 2 or 3 months it will be warm, 2 or 3 months it will be cold, 2 or 3 months it will be cloudy, 2 or 3 months it will be windy. So that is it will be a long period of time. Okay, ma? So that long period of time means it is a season. Short period of time means it is weather. See, each part of the earth experiences some type of season all year around. So seasons are very important all over the world. See the first picture. See the 5 types of season conditions, right? It will differ to each month. See here, in this chart it is mentioned clearly, this January, February and December it will be a cold season. Nowadays it is cold, right? We are under a cold season. See this March, April, May, it will be a blooming season. The flowers will blooming season. And then September, October, November it will be a monsoon, right? It will be a monsoon, rainy season. And then June, July, August will be a warm season, sunny. So these are the seasons. Okay, in this 12 months these are the seasons. So regarding to that, the season will change, but the weather means it is a short period of time, and season it's a long period of time. So now if you take the next page number 122. So first we are going to see the types of seasons. So there are 5 seasons. What are they? Summer, winter, monsoon, autumn and then spring. Summer, winter, monsoon, autumn and spring. So these are the 5 seasons. So children, you say what are the types of seasons? Summer, winter, monsoon, autumn and then finally spring. Okay, first we are going to see summer. Summer means, what is summer? It will be very hot. It is a sunny season, right? So during the summer, the sun shines bright in the summer. The days are warm and long. Schools are closed during summer for summer holidays like May. See, this boy, he can't able to tolerate the hot. He is using the umbrella. See, during the summer season, it will be very hot. See, he is drinking juice because juice will be cool, right? So, in order to tackle this hot, he is using the juice. See, these kids, they are eating foods from which is taken from fridge because it will be cool. See, and also they will be using the air cooler, AC, fan during the summer season, because in the summer season, the season will be very hot. We can't able to tolerate, right? On that days, we will be using loose cotton clothes, right? Otherwise, we can't able to tolerate the sweat. So on that days, we will be using loose cotton clothes, and we will be having ice cream, cool drinks, fruits in summer to tackle the heat. Correct? So summer means it's a sunny season. It's very warm. So in order to reduce the heat, we will be using ice cream, cool drinks, more fruits. Correct? And we will be wearing the loose cotton clothes. So summer is a hot or cold season. It's a hot season, right? Okay, ma'am. So on that times we will be using mango, watermelon for tackling the hot. Winter means it's a coldest season, like now. Nowadays it's a winter, right? So it's a coolest season. So the days will be short and cold, and we will be wearing the woolen clothes. In summer we will be wearing loose cotton clothes, but in the winter we will be wearing the woolen clothes. On that time we will be drinking hot soup, and we will be using room heater and fire to keep warm. Some people using room heater, right? So in order to tackle the cold, on that days the season will be very cool. In the night at all it will be very cold. Okay, so that is winter. And some places will be having heavy snowfall. In our place it's not like that, but in the north areas like Delhi and all, they will be having more snowfall, right? Many people enjoy playing in the snow during winter. We can't able to tackle the cold, right? In the Kodaikanal and all, it will be very cool. Okay, we can't able to tackle. Our mouths will be like, we can't able to tackle that cool. Okay, so in order to reduce that, we will be using this hot soup, room heaters and all. Okay, ma? See, we wear woolen clothes in summer or winter. in winter, correct? In summer, we will be wearing the loose cotton clothes. Understood? Winter means it's the coldest season. And then we are going, see, this is the snowfall. Snowman, and they are wearing the woolen clothes. In these times, we will be eating the fruits. We will be getting, what are the fruits? Strawberry and apple. We will be getting more in the winter season, because this apple, strawberry, it will be growing in the coldest area only. So during this winter season, we will be getting more strawberries and apples. Okay, children? Okay. So next we are going to see monsoon. It's nothing but it's a rainy season with more thunder, lightning and all. Okay. We call the rainy season as monsoon. During the season, dark clouds appear in the sky, and sometimes there will be lightning and thunder. So this seasons only we will be using umbrellas and raincoats. If we have to go out, how we will be going? We will be using this umbrella and raincoat. So this time we will be using more coffee and hot rice. Okay ma? So rain is fun. Every children, they like to play in the rain, and they will be sail paper boats. Correct? See, they are playing in the rain and they are sailing the paper boats. Okay ma? So monsoon means it's just a rainy season. Okay, and then we are going to see autumn. So what is autumn? So this autumn season means the trees will shed their leaves. Okay ma, the trees will shed their leaves. So the weather during the season will be remains pleasant. This all the trees, it will shed the leaf. Okay ma, shed means like allow leaves or fruits to fall to the ground, and the birds will make a twittering voice. Twittering sound means to make a series of short or high sounds. Okay, autumn means just it will shed the leaves. Spring means winter is followed by springs. Spring means just at the season the flowers will bloom. Okay ma, and also the trees will have new leaves and the flowers will bloom, and also we can hear the twittering in the birds. In the morning and all we can hear the twittering. Okay children, so today we learned about weather and seasons. The next class I will be explaining the question answer, and again the next class I will read the whole chapter. Okay children, so take care. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye children. Miss you all. Bye bye.